Hey guys, have you ever made something that you absolutely love? You love how it turned out and you love the fabric that you use? Well, in today's video, that's what I'm going to talk about. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise, and I wanted to talk to you all about this gorgeous fabric and this really nice dress that I made. This is Simplicity 8546, and I'll talk about the pattern in a minute, but first I wanted to talk about this fabric. As you may know, I'm a Minerva maker, and I am gifted a piece of fabric generally every month, depending on how often I choose. And this is the one that I chose this particular time, and this is a exclusive Minerva fabric. It's a Viscose Challis that is exclusive to them, so I'm guessing that you can only get this pattern from them at this time. And it is just a beautiful fabric. It washes and dries very easily. I always pre-wash my fabric, and this one in particular just washed and dried beautifully. It didn't really wrinkle up when I took it out of the dryer. I think I set it aside for too long and didn't really fold it the way I should, so I did do a light iron to it, and that worked out great. But the colors on the fabric did not fade or anything like that, so you shouldn't have to worry about anything like that happening. But it's just very easy to work with. Cutting and sewing this up is just really very easy to work with this pattern, with this fabric, I'm sorry. And so that was fantastic. Now, as far as the pattern is concerned, I used Simplicity 8546, which is this one here, and I made view B, which is the one on the cover here, this one. And it's basically, all it is a long shirt dress. So I wanted something that would really show off the print, but didn't have a lot of details, because with the print this bold, the details are going to get lost in it anyway. So the only detail really on the front of this are the darts that you have on the side, and then just the front placket, but that just works into all of the fabric, so you don't really even notice. And the only thing different that I did with this one is it calls for to have slits on the side of the dress down at the bottom. I didn't do that because I really didn't think it was necessary, and it's not like you need the walking ease of a slit in order to be comfortable if you're walking or anything like that. It really wasn't necessary. So I did not do that. I actually just stitched all the way down to the hem on the sides here, so I don't have the slits there. But that was really the only change that I made. I did not do any other alterations to the pattern. I just cut out my size and sewed it, and it worked out fantastic. So I was very happy with how all of this turned out. And yeah, so I do have buttons on the cuffs and buttons down the front. It's, like I said, it's really a shirt dress. It's a sort of a loose fitting shirt dress with variations on the sleeve, collar, and length. Yeah, it just says Mrs. Petite shirt dress in 3 lengths with sleeve variations. So that's their only description. It does have a couple of collar variations where you can have a regular collar or you have a shorter stand-up collar, but that's it. They really don't have much of a description as far as anything else goes with this. Pattern itself is very easy to put together. As I said, I made view B, which is basically just a basic shirt dress, but with this fabric, I think it really takes it to a different level. So I wanted to keep the design of the dress pretty simple, and that's why I chose this pattern. But it comes together easily as far as this pattern is concerned. Now, the only thing that I might do, I'm thinking about, is make a belt to go with this. They don't have one for B. Now, they have a tie belt on view A that they show here. It's just a tie where you can tie it at the waist, but I'm thinking I might do more of like a covered buckle type of belt. So I think something like that would actually be kind of nice, because then you could wear it belted or not. And also, this does make a great duster. So I've worn this with a t-shirt underneath and leggings or jeans, skinny jeans under, and just have this, the front open, and it looks also very nice. And of course there will be pictures of all of these different looks for you. But yeah, it's very easy to put together. I really enjoyed this. Pattern, I believe this is still available. I do know it is available on the Minerva site, and I do have a post that I wrote for them that's on their website, and this pattern is available. I will check to see if the fabric is available, and I will leave you a link below in the description box. But basically that is it. The only other thing that I might do is to make a covered belt of the same fabric, but just make a belt that I can wear with it belted sometimes. I think that might be nice to have that option at least. So other than that, there is really nothing else that I would do or change as far as the pattern or anything else. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments about anything, please leave it down below. And if you would also please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it for this one. So you all take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.